Yes, good girl. Yes, look at that. Yes, good. Look at that. How content they are. Yes, good. Very good. Yes. Look at them, huh? They're twice the size, maybe even 3 times the size. It's only been 3 days. They're 6 days old, so they are growing quick. Look at how powerful they are. Look at the front legs just kicking. That front legs is how they get the milk, and they just push, and then the milk comes. So they are doing absolutely fantastic. Nature does it all, right, Mommy? Right? Right? Babies are 9 days old. How are you? You look awfully happy, don't you? Oh, look at that. Very content. Your puppies are growing so fast. And they don't really change much in the color right now. They're still the same. Yes, they are. Yes, look at that. Awesome. Yes. Look at the size of them. Yes, look at the size. Look at the size, huh? Yes. Look at that, huh? You gonna wake this one up? You gonna wake that one up, girl? Yes. Show me your babies. Hey, yes, Fletch. Good. Good girl. Look at all your babies, huh? Yes. Look at that big baby, huh? Yeah, look. Yeah. Eyes are just starting to open. Yes. Good girl, yes. Good girl, yes you are. But this is what you do, is you get them outside to start getting them used to different changes. Right now they're looking absolutely ideal. This is really something to see. Yes, yes, look at you. Good. And they're not making any noise. Oh, you guys are just wanting to stay together. Yes. So we got the 4 boys and 2 girls. And there they go. Just like that, 20 days old. And now they can start to feed themselves. Mom's not going to have to do all the work. They're already looking for it. Look at that. Huh? See that? This guy or girl is looking for mom. Look at that. You got all of them here. Just going to town, aren't you? All right, you guys. Uh-oh. What are you doing? Can you hear me already? Look. Let's see what we have, okay? Yes, look. Yes. That's what we're doing. Look at the determination that we have. Yes, look. Oh, you're ready? What are you doing? Oh yeah, you're a girl. Look at you go. That's really awesome to see that. Yes, look at that. Okay. All right. Good. Yes. Way to go, huh? Yes. What's the matter with you, huh? What's the matter? Hey, yes. Uh-oh, you guys got to get on the action, don't you? Yes, you want part of the action. Oh, look at that. Yep, you're not going to get left behind, are you? Oh, come on, let's go. Let's go. Yep, let's go. Come on. Come on. Yep. Here. Good. Yeah, good. Here comes your babies. That's your babies. Yes, it is. Good. Right. Here. 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 What you want to see is whether or not the dog does have drive for anything. If they don't want to eat, you're kind of like, whoa, that's low drive. But look at them, they're already starting to bark, make noise. Come, yes, come. Okay, yes, I have it. Oh, you're trying to smell? You got to hear. Yes, you have to hear. Yes, you do. Come, come, come on, come. Yes. Okay, look. Yes, look. Oh, yes. Okay. Okay, come on, come. Yes. Okay, yes. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Look. Oh, yeah. Come. Yes. Yes. Come. Yes. Come on. Come. Okay. There you go. You guys can eat, okay? Yes. There you go. That's real strong motivation right there. Yes. All right. Yes, this is what I like to see. If they have the drive to do something. If they don't, they don't. And look at the fight drive on that one. Look at that. Yes. Okay, you guys. There you go. Yes. There we go. Yes. That's exactly what we want to see right there. Yes, okay, oh yeah, look at that. Just like the mom, just like the dad, look at that. They're already starting just like that. Yes, okay, all right, okay, good. Oh yeah, you got to bark? Yes, because you got to do it too, yes, yes you do, okay. Oh, look at that, yes, good, all right. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come. Yeah, come on. Hey, yes. Oh, yes, come on. Yep. Oh, yeah. Way to go. Yes. Oh, look at that. Yep. What are you looking for? You gotta go too. Yes. Okay. Oh, yeah. All right. Let's see what you guys are gonna do by yourself, okay? Or are you just gonna take off? Uh-oh. Yep. Go for it. Yep. Okay, yes. Wow, this is exactly what we love to see right here. The calmness in that too, look how calm they are. Up. And I'm gonna take that, I'm gonna take this too. Come on, I'm gonna take this. Oh, come on, let's go, come. Let's go, come on. Yes, let's go. Do I have what you want? Huh? Do I have what you want? Huh? Yes, I do. You still, oh, you guys are getting tired. Are you already getting, no? You're not getting tired? Huh? Oh, yes. Look at that, you guys. I need to have one for every puppy. They all want to do it. Look at that. Yes. Okay. Okay. Oh, no, you can't get me. Yes. Okay. All right. Are you getting tired? Huh? What about you? Oh yeah. Okay. Yes. All right. Good. Okay. Yes. Good. Uh-oh. Back this way. Come on. Yes. Come on. Come. come, come. Come on. Yep. All right, come on. All right. All right. What do you think, huh? One more time. One more time. Come on. Let's go. Come on, come, come. Come, come, come. Come on, you guys. Come. Yep, look at you go. Yep. There you go. Yes, come on. You gotta work for it now. Get tired. Let's go. Yes, come, come. Yes. Way to go. Yes, way to do it. Huh? Yes. I'm gonna get you guys out, okay? And then we'll go run around a little bit and see if you still want to play, okay? Hey, come here. Come, come. Yes. Hey. Yes. Okay. Yes. What did I have, you guys? What did I have? What did I have? Here, come. Come, 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 come. Come on, let's go. Come on. Yep. Up, yep. Come, 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 come. Yes. Come on. Yes. What did I have? What did I got? Oh, you guys got playground, don't you? Yes, you do. Oh, yeah. Huh? It's not just food ride, is it? Yeah. Good. Yep. Yeah. Good. Push. All right, look at the baby. Huh? They all want to do it too. Yeah. Okay. Good. All right. Yes, look at them all go. You want to go too? Yes. Good. All right. Good. Okay. Yeah. All right. This is a whole family of them, huh? They all love working. They really do. Yes. Look at that. Yes. Good. There it is. Yep. Okay. All right. Oh yeah. This is what we really like to see right here. 100% genetic. What I like about them the most though is that they can be calm at the same time. Yes. Yes, look at that. Huh? Look at your babies playing, you guys. Let's... Good. Yes. Good. Awesome. Yes, awesome. Whisk.